Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajalau Conrad ke sama habakre makinong thok kubor uloong bahakisnam ki bala Lehnoh ngilai I shibun ki jingja shalute bala keno ru bagi Kynhun ki Sdang manthau thamai Biang Henry hadin pat bala lap bagi tu ki long tang ki Kynhun bashuthok ne tang ki Kynhun rit uloong bagi ne ki jingja pat kane karukomja kajulong hi na kapor shakapor Henry watla kata ka sarkar kadang ye pit ngor ya kane Ulapin syairu Halor ke jingja kaput India Bangladesh uloong ba ka sarkar ka haban pensau tho bat kenmauru ba ka jinglong jingman ha ka benta jong ka Bangladesh menta kamlong shu kumba ka long ha usnam bala lek ngilai I ba ki don ki jingja ba pheru ha kata ka benta jong ka kaput ka balapan kala ya ka rukom jinglong ha ka jingja baro ka wei Habaya day ba kajing yo sngo kajing mi ki kubor bas dang manthau Kynhun Lehnoh Biang ha kajela uloong balada ngi shimtang na kabenta jong kajing tip kabangi yo ban ong badon kajing ya trailang ni kajing thau Kynhun thamai kata kamde kabashisha ulapan syairu Halor kajing penbana ka DGP uloong ba kapersyang ban batai hi da karukom kabakumju bagi yo jing tip Henry habban pet bat penshisha shwa Ulaban rapda ka baong bagi nong thok kubor pat ki shushim tang ya kabenta ka baningkong but shum layo ya kadur ka bapura
different activities at different times do happen in different areas, and it's like a graph that keeps going up and down. We have seen in the past many years small activities, small people coming together here and there. Don't need to find out there are decoy groups. They're just people who are just going small time thieves or dacoits, and so therefore this kind of incidents and this kind of a trend is always coming up and down, and we're continuously monitoring this. Having said that, we have to realize and remember that situation across the border in Bangladesh is not the same as it was last year. So obviously it has a tendency, and I don't want to go too much into details because it's a matter of, national security, so I cannot talk too much in those details. But all I can say is that different activities and different things across the border are also emerging, which are changing the dynamics of the overall situation. Now, to say that 100% regrouping is happening, no, we cannot conclude to that. Absolutely not. But are we getting intel about movements? Yes, we are. Every time we get intel, we try to find out what's happening. And then we find out that there were these 2-3 groups, there were more dacoits, then the chapter is closed out there. So this kind of activity here and there keep coming to us, intel keeps coming to us. On the basis of this intel and information, to conclude that there's a regrouping is not correct at all. But we are not closing that chapter also because it could be. And I think DG was trying to say exactly that we have been getting inputs of this thing, and I guess the press that time just took that first part and did not talk the whole picture. So I'm giving you the whole picture. We get multiple intels every day. These multiple intels have to be verified. Till we don't verify it, we cannot conclude and say that it is regrouping. But is the information coming in? As I said, information comes every day. Now, situation has become more critical because of the situation in Bangladesh. And therefore, those situations are something that we have to continuously monitor. So that's the situation right now.
Can you also